ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೆ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. ಇಂದಿನ ದಿನ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಇದರಲ್ಲೂ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಸುಲಭವಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಸರಳವಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬೀನ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್, so easy to answer all the questions. So I am going to start with the solution, so you can verify the solution. Moving on to question 1. So ಮೊದಲನೇ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್. ಎರಡನೇದಕ್ಕೆ -π/2, π/2. ಮೂರನೇದಕ್ಕೆ 6. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ a ಹೋಲ್ ಪವರ್ n-1. ಐದನೇದಕ್ಕೆ -1, +1. ಆರನೇದು e ಪವರ್ x ಇಂಟು ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ x ಪ್ಲಸ್ c. ಏಳನೇದು i ಪ್ಲಸ್ j ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2k ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ √6. ಎಂಟನೇದು 0, 1/2, √3/2. Ninth one is 120. 10th one is P of S. 11th one is 2. 12th one is 11. 13th one is 0. 14th one is 4. 15th one 3. 16th one 35. 17th one 2x into cos of x square plus 5. 18th one definition of co-initial vectors. Two or more vectors having the same initial point are called co-initial vectors. The 19th one, the common region determined by all the constraints including non-negative constraints of LPP. 20th is on probability. Probability of A dash intersection B dash is equal to 3/8. Moving on to part B questions. Goff ಮತ್ತೆ fog ಕಂಡಿಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Equal ಮತ್ತೆ not equal ಅಂತ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸೋದು ಬೇಡ. Goff of x is 3 cos x square. Fog of x is cos 3x square. Question number 22. Y equal to sin inverse x ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು x equal to sin of y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The value of x can be written as cos of π/2 minus y. So from that we can find out y plus cos inverse x is equal to π/2. So from that I am going to find out y is what? Sin inverse x. Substitute that. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to π/2. Next, sin of π/3 plus sin inverse 1/2 is equal to sin inverse 1/2 value is π/6. So solving this π/3 plus π/6 will be equal to π/2. You are going to get sin π/2 value as 1. Next, moving on to 24. Find the area of the triangle for the given vertices. We are going to find the area. I have got the area as 15/2 square units. Number 25. For the given function, I need to find the derivative. I got the derivative as minus sin x by 1 plus cos y. Moving on to 26. I need to find dy by dx for the function y equal to x power x. So for that, take log on both the side and then differentiate. I am going to get dy by dx equal to y times of 1 plus log x. The question number 27th, I have got the answer as 5.03. For 28, I have got 2 tan x minus 3 secant x plus c. For 29th, I have got pi/12. For 30th, I have got the required d is y square minus 2xy dy by dx equal to 0. The projection of a on b is given by 5√6 divided by 3, or else you can write 10/√6. The magnitude of a cross b is given by 15√2. Cos theta is given by the value 19/21. So finally the theta value is given by cos inverse of 19/21. Finding the sample space, then distribution table, I have applied. The probability of x is given by 1/8, 3/8, 3/8, 1/8. Moving on to part C, I need to show that R is equivalence relation. Whether it satisfies equivalence relation or not, we require to show that here. Definitely R satisfies reflexive, transitive and symmetric. Therefore, it is called equivalence relation. Moving on to 36, I have got the value of tan inverse 31/17. Then 37, the p value is symmetric and q is skew symmetric. Therefore, A is equal to p plus q. I have shown that. 38, I find dy by dx as minus cot theta by 2. We require to verify the Rolle's theorem here. So for the given function f of x, it has been verified. F of -2 and f of 2 is 6. For f dash of c, I have got 2c, and then equating that value f dash of c to 0, I got the value of c as 0. Since the value 0 lies between -2 and 2, therefore the theorem has been verified here. Question number 40. I got f is strictly increasing and decreasing in the interval 3 by 4 to infinity and minus infinity to 3 by 4. Then to find the integral value, I have used the partial fraction. So I got the value of a as 1 and b value as minus 1. Then applying the partial fraction for the given integral, I got integral 1 over x plus 1 minus 1 over x plus 2 dx. Integrating this, I got log of modulus of x plus 1 by x plus 2 plus c. Integrating this value by integration by parts, I got the answer as minus x cos 3x by 3 plus sin 3x by 9 plus c. Then I got the area of the bounded region as 8 by 3 times of 4 minus root 2 square units. By variable separable form, I got the answer as tan inverse y is equal to x plus x cube by 3 plus c is the general solution for the question number 44. For the 45, I have got the vector r as m into vector b plus n into vector a divided by m plus n, as I have proved that. Question number 46. So I have proved that is equal to 2 times of vector a, b, c. So ಇಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ full marks ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. So moving on to 47, I have got the d value as square root of 293 divided by 7. So next, probability of first event, event 1 has got 0.6. Probability of event 2 has got 0.4. Probability of a by b, condition of probability a by e1, 0.3. Probability of a by e2 as 0.2. So by applying Bayes theorem, we are going to get the answer as 9 by 13. Moving on to 49, I have got f inverse of y equal to y minus 3 by 4. So similarly, f inverse of x will be equal to x minus 3 by 4. So moving on to 50, I got sum of these two matrices as this one. Then product of a plus b with c, I have got the column matrix. Then AC as column matrix, BC as column matrix. Finally, AC plus BC will be equal to A plus B times of C. So therefore, we have proved that A plus B times of C is equal to AC plus BC. Question number 51. Determinant of A equal to minus 17, which is not equal to 0. I am going to find out cofactor of A. I have got. Then I will find out adjoint of A inverse I have find out. Finally, I am going to find out x equal to A inverse of B. From that, I got the values of x, y, z as 1, 2, 3. Moving on to question number 52, which is of differentiation. I am going to find out double derivatives of the given function y. So after getting double derivative, I am going to substitute in the given equation. That will be equal to 0. Moving on to question number 53. So the parameter is given by the formula p equal to 2 times of x plus y. Then differentiate p with respect to t. I got 2 times of dx by dt plus dy by dt. So then substitute the value of dx by dt and dy by dt. I got the value as minus 2 times of minus 2 centimeter square per minute. Similarly, the area is given by a equal to xy. Differentiate that with respect to t and substitute the value of dx by dt and dy by dt. I got the answer as 2. Then moving on to 54, I need to find the integral value of this. So go with the substitution method. So put x equal to a tan theta. Then dx will be equal to a secant square theta d theta. Substituting these two values in the given integrand, I am going to get integral of secant theta d theta after simplification. Integral of this will be log of secant theta plus tan theta plus c. So as I have substituted x equal to a tan theta will be equal to x by a. Then secant theta will be equal to square root of x square plus a square divided by a. Then substituting these two values in the whatever the answer we have got, we are going to get the expression as log of modulus of square root of x square plus a square plus x plus c. Then we require to find the integral value of this. So to find the integral value of this, go with the completing the square method. I have done with the completing the square method. I have got x plus 1 the whole square plus 1 in the denominator. Integrating this value, I am going to get log of x plus 1 plus square root of x square plus 2x plus 2. Find the area of the circle here. We require to find the area of the circle. Here we have considered in the first quadrant bounded by the region called AOBA. I am going to find the integral value of this. I got that as pi a square by 4 square units. Therefore, the area of the circle is given by 4 times of this first quadrant. Therefore, multiplying that value, I got pi a square units. Moving on to question number 56. It is of a differential equation. It is of the form dy by dx plus py equal to q. Identify what is p and q. Then find out the integrating factor. Integrating factor is x square. Then the solution is y into integrating factor, which is equal to integral of q into integrating factor with respect to x plus c. Simplifying that, we are going to get a solution as y equal to x square by 4 plus c by x square. So 57th is derivation. Then we are going to get in Cartesian form as a times of x minus x1 plus b times of y minus y1 plus c times of z minus z1 equal to 0. 58 is n equal to 6, p equal to 1 by 2, q equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, by binomial theorem, we got p of x as ncx, p for x, q for n minus x. Substituting the values of n, p, q, I am going to get as 6cx into 1 by 2 whole power 6. For 5 success, I got 3 by 32. For at least 5 success, I got 7 by 64. For at most 5 success, I got 63 by 64. Moving on to final part called part E. So one is on LPP, they have been asked. Another is on integration. So for the LPP problem, I have got the minimum value as minus 12 at the point 4 comma 0. Here, this is what the feasible region I have got. So from this region, I am going to find out the value called a minimum point. So the minimum point is minus 12 at 4 comma 0. So next, moving on to 59th question number B, we need to prove that integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of x dx. By substitution method, I have proved here. So this is what proof. Next, integrating 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5x divided by cos power 5x into plus sin power 5x. I got the value of I as pi by 4. Moving on to question 60th question A. So I have got the value of k as 3 by 4. Then for the given determinant, we are going to prove that a plus b plus c the whole cube. So we are going to prove that by using row operation and also using column operation. So we have proved here a plus b plus c the whole cube. So this is the solution for the today's paper. I thank you all for watching this video. I wish you very best for your results.